you can hear the wind blowing against the Jeep right here. It is wild. It's a wintry mix right now. It's about 34 degrees, so it's not exactly cold enough to snow, but it's the wind, it's flaking, but it's freezing, so it's icy, I guess is the problem. We're supposed to get about 8 inches of water up by the homestead. It's supposed to be about 14 inches. I'm gonna see how that goes, because it hasn't started snowing up there yet. I do gotta stop at Home Depot to get some ice and salt, so hopefully they don't have been sold out of that. And I'm gonna try to get there quick and then start trying to get ahead of the storm, because I gotta get the little guy and we're gonna get up north. So it's gonna be an adventure. Sorry if it was windy at the beginning of this video, but yeah, that's crazy. It's gonna be fun. Here we go, Orlena, 2021. All right, so we picked up the little guy. We got him back there, and I'm on the road, the dirt road leading to the house, and it is starting to snow and accumulate. Let's see if I can get a little footage of this out the window. It's starting to pile up on the road. You can't barely see. It's a person I think this video can't follow it. But yeah, it's wild. We're starting to get accumulation. Well, it's starting to snow. If you can see in the video, it's blowing everywhere. They haven't barely plowed, but they will be. The snow's blowing in all directions. This is a certified nor'easter, if I haven't said so myself. But we started shoveling a little bit. It's just gonna keep on going like this. It's not supposed to stop till like 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, so hopefully it doesn't get too bad. In between shoveling, I'm working on Cinderella's castle. Bags 3 and 4 tonight. Well, this is it. It's about 2 o'clock, and it finally stopped snowing. The cars are packed. This is very heavy, wet snow. This is heart attack snow. I gotta shovel for some reason 5 feet of this out. Let's get our cars out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Hopefully I can do it. Do it slow. But this is thick, hard, packed, wet snow. Not fun at all. This will be an adventure. Obviously I don't care about what I look like. The city does do a good job and does the sidewalks for us, which is nice. So I don't have to do this part. And I really only have to do a pathway from the house to here. And then enough, I backed my car up really close to Suzi, so I could basically just have to do the 3 feet out of here. And then the 3 feet here. I should be able to blast through her car too. So that's what we're hoping for. We'll see. How's that? Got up all, you can see the roof right there. We got about a foot of snow to a 1.5 foot, depending on where it is. The drifts are up to 2 feet somewhere. Can't touch the backyard, but at least we got the deck cleared off here. We can use the barbecue tonight. What, 1.5 foot? That's about the line right there. Yeah, we think we should be good for snow for a while. That was exhausting. It took 2 hours to shovel out the driveway. 2 hours to, driveway cars, all the decks, all that fun stuff. Then you get a chance to play in the snow. Wow. I'll see you guys later. If you like it, subscribe. Leave a comment. Let us know if you got snow. We'll see you later. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.